everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? For all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Yeah. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can move without you, Lord. Who am I without?
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma wo legal assistance ya edimu na yi adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni eya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasa ginatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Yebie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pay mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm and na memene dan so appointment nko a free anopa nondu ekosi
na all the answer ne dem ma se wo tro wo exams na when you soon ni explanation na ma wo answer na just say utinye Otume tretre wa ma otume tro ma wo pass me kra na say ni ne ye kakra ya master yellow me catch them master law school and you know ye beda mo nyina se me so mo chiche na enye fe mo chiche ni de so na enye fe na because I know it's going to help a lot of people, especially with this particular topic that we are going to treat now. It's about skilled workers, how you can come to the UK to work with legal documents. That's you get your working permit to come. Now, yeah, there were one to say when you come, it's not just you. You can also come with your wife or your children or your husband and your kids. So let's look at this thing. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, Charles. Yeah, Miracle. Na yehunia ye. Nti medical echia. Mia midoful lawyer Patrick. Lawyer Patrick. Good morning.
Oh, hi. Hello. Good morning, Manya. Nampacho, apomo to say.
Ni ahweye ye ho ye pa ye tia se bi ne mu jata no. Yo, la Patrick anope ye be ko ni gidigidi kakra e be ye breba e be ko ni e me patra ni se emre na ekọ kakra ni nti no ni e be ni se mema wo ho kwan na wachechia adofo ne ahwefo ne etiefoɔ na afedie na mebisao kwan so se ayembia na otwe ayekotwa ye ho baaye no efikase mu anase aban no ode hihia hufuro bi anase wa twist ne ho bi ana wa ye bibia ye beka se update ben concerning the legal matters ye di update ben na aba na fatu dwamaye mesro wadaroma ntimi de ekwanya no mam.
Right. Yo, Manya, Dasibium, thank you very much. Etie for Yamamo, good morning. Anope, Yasaino Moshia, Nyame, Adom, Inti, Ewo. BWF solicitors, your platforms, Nina, so. As usual, your baby Suya, Adia, Efa, UK, Emraho. Inti, Anope, Muhu, Yaha, na, ya Nantisie, Sanye, Etiano, no. Na sani manyaka no imse time no koka kranti no ye be speedy up na ya brobro nsem ni bi so quickly no ye be hwe updates e wo honum na ya to aso free ho number one update I think say eye enika UK ye red list ye de to for omo free UK akọ enkrokro ahodo so regarding your friend is saying coronavirus no ehun sensam nti mo bahwa na ya list bi o ho a you say a traffic light nti you were red green and yellow because say amber sabi UK yisa other colors ni nyina free ho nti wo amber ni green ni nyina no omo nyina no ya clear wo ama omo nyina be group omutimi eba UK so long as wawo o jobs no meaning nyina no obey okay so o red list no so na chese still na no so obeba ha say o follow protocols na omode atoho no nyina now red list na nkasa no countries are a was to say no there are just about 7 countries so show more did not say enoso ti bia wo ko bia no o check na o country na o cost no o cost holiday no and can red list no ho a na chese o free ho na oba na wawo o jobs no nyina obey obi a obey okay obetimi akoye o normal eniema o ye na eni jesema e wo sa de enim say Ghana enim say bronya e bebe enuanu bebre na be pese ebia ombekofie na omakwa kodi bronya no ho intino nhihye ne say every Monday yeah by the 11th of October no Ghana ye every sa list no so a chese say ukọ Ghana after sa period no na o babaka so long as wawo o jobs ni mi no nyina no wobɛyɛ okay a ehia sɛ wobɛkɔ akɔtete baabi a ayɛ bibi nti mo nhyɛ ne nso saa nti mo a mo kɔ Ghana fiti saa bere no me sure sɛ ebedu time a mo bɛba back after the 11th of October no na saa nhyehyɛ no ahyɛ ase a it means sɛ wobɛyɛ okay nti mo nhyɛ no nso the other thing ɛno no I think sɛ ɛyɛ abenubuo kakra ɛyɛ regarding universal credit I think sɛ mo amonim sɛ coronavirus by and UK aban ɛyɛ mmoa bebree ɛde nneɛma gugu akwan mu ma yɛn dodoɔ na yɛwɔ ahohiahia mu no ɔma yɛn bibia na ɛbɛma yɛahohiahia no abrase nti wɔn a yɛdɔm to fellow scheme so wɔn a no mo universal credit so bɛhwɛ a yɛde extra £20 per week ɛka mu sika ho saa ɛno no aba na wie yɛ nti you obi a na unya extra £20 a week which is about £80 a month on top of universal credit entitlement now unfortunately no saa ade no aba na wie ye nti from October yi koi mo a mo wo saa universal credit concession nyina so no ne nyina no ebefiri wo nti se wa hu wo so a mema na nyo nwanwa ana so se okɔhwɛ entitlement no na aba from a mema na nyo nwanwa is only because sa £80 extra no na said £20 a week extra na ye de ma because of coronavirus no aban a year free. However, aban so aka say even though we year free ho no ye mu bebre na so wa still omoda so ewo fie a omu nni adwuma fellow no so aba na wie ye nti saafo na omoda so wo fie na omu nni adwuma no na universal credit ebema ahokyere aba no omu nyina so aban ayen hyehyɛ sɛ still obekɔ so na wahwɛ wo mo to bi o wa o over 50 say bia unni adwuma o pension and also say o disability bi o chese unni obi a o disability but unni adwuma o ye because of coronavirus wadwuma say ya redundant unni adwuma o ya aban ayen hyehyɛ sɛ even though fellow scheme na twam na £80 extra on top of universal credit entitlement no so no and also aba na wie no still or yen hyehyɛ sɛ saafo na mo ahohiahia mu no nyinaa no aban se obekɔ so na ɔde nhyehyɛ gu kwan mu ɛde aboa mu enti yen hyɛ no nso saa because aban egu so ɛhwɛ yen ɔdɔ yen enti no enya ade a obema yakɔ ahokyere mu saa. The other thing for mo ye application I think say we ya ka ho asem bebre ma home office yes after June deadline no say family permit untimi emfa ntukwan emma ha because visa no etwam and then no ye hu say home office for aye insisan mo be kai a ye be ka kire mo say ye no ma twen so tintintin ye no mo twen ya ma afedi ekodu baabi no na omo pa ye chew se omo sre omo ehun se nsem na ye ka no emra no ne niema ya bobɔ so akire omo no eto asomu yie eye omo amomra eye enipaso te se omo agi atum se ampa de ya ka no eye no kra nti omo ye nhyehyɛ ama san nhyehyɛ no kra no sisia no omo de aba ama aba aban mu nti ohwe a omo ye statement of changes your friend HC 617 aba it says uyo obi a ukuta family permit ye de ama wa obetimi atukwan de aba ha na enye eno krampo no school a ye betimi ama eye ekwan no wa ye EU settlement scheme no na odi aba nti ekwan na bi mo a na mo ye extended family members munya family permit mo ye appeal na mo succeed ye na munya sa emails ni nyina no esese mo kama koma to mo yam because sabre no home office ayen hyehyɛ ebie kwan ato hɔ a mo nyinaa no December yi na me ya adom a yɛne mo bedi bronya no ɛwɔ UK nti no asemoda ɛwɔ hɔ no nti mo hyɛ no nso sa EU fo na nka munya akwanya ɛde mo ID kɛkɛ ɛne tu kwan efiri ɛyɛ continent na mo ba UK no mo bɛkae a yɛabɔ mo nkae dada sɛ since 1st October no aban ayen hyehyɛ ayi saa nneɛma na firi hɔ unless otherwise wo country crowd ofri so no one UK aban was special agreement apart from that no So uni special agreement and also country any special agreement with UK abaya ID card a you do to kwan UK said there be on so bi o ba for passport a kire say ekro we na wo free so for sa passport no fa bra nti ye niam no ebe hye no so na omo e de ato omo kotodwam na omo hu eniema e koso bebre na wo ho na time ni nti no em se manye ye be sam na app na ye de kakra we ama etiefo answer yeah
Yo, la Patrick, that's Yamin Senior, we year to Pumus. And Jeff was any kind, La Patrick, they are trench, I did Mona and Tias, yeah. We have brainless, I know, not to say. Yo, young Koyim, it's your farm share on Facebook. Yamin and come on, Yamin Shamo, I don't know what dear radio so no. Miss Ramon Shana, and I more to Vincent Edu, good morning, Matsi Alote, you tete, or born some Cassia Eric Cabnaya, but say good morning, Eric. Me who say Washington, Shema me why? Marty, also Shema me, Yame and Town. You look great, thank you. I don't want to inquire. Wumpini Adams, or say the best solicitors in the world, BWF solicitors, and or say are known for what they do. Their lawyers are competent. Yame ensure ne income for what they come for. Zazboa, and also say good morning, everyone. Zaz, but Shema me why? Then NTB Mesamba the other platform so any YouTube for also. But YouTube for no who like here no I share now just say what we notification button so. You be koye la Patrick and then you see a farmer na yakofa be de dodo na na yebeka say omo skills yetumi edi ye adwuma na mom kwan a yefa so na yebe use sa skills no na yedi apply say yedi ba obi man so eye UK ha edi abeye adwuma no sa nimdie ne de dodo na enim kwan yebefa so nti na ye nya we mesre ye sa no prepare say be hu akonya we ye be hu hihye da ho na yetumi etu hu anamo na ye bia bepe adwuma o UK aye nti la Patrick say me was skill wo Ghana na ana kudu provision na me pese me be kuru abeye adwuma we be say how can I apply as a skill worker to come into the UK and work nti ene en sha say info yeti wadaroma.
Yo, manye, again, you better was it, you might hear for aqua view. Yes, send your kind of sap pepper and it's here. Yen kaya run up to UK for a free EU numino. Now, almost shasier a yen share in the background. Kwaya ombefaswa say omu free EU numua. Inuma hodwa e wahano. Say omu free mu a impact a ebenya wo saa nnwuma no so no ekwan a omo befa so a omo beso saa impact na no nti na omo ye nhihye in the background na omo tuatua ntokuru na omo ye niema in the background nti omo ye ya ama ekowie se omo ye nsakraye ewo eye rules a na ye de bo ye ho bra ana se ye de nam so eba krom ha eye adwuma ene saa niema no nyina. There are certain routes are making changes. Ibini the friend or skilled worker route no. Na a tier 2 general sana na your friend of first no. Inti no in satraye was sa and near money nyina mu sebe ya free Europe no mo a enkoba se number 1 EU fo nanka nya akwanya eba UK freely. Because of in Shishia na UK are buying any EU war na enuntino ma Europe for the free movement right. So omu free omu chrome na omu betumi etina chroma eye adwuma no. Na esese omu yesa ansatraye no na etumi cover one ma ebedu ebrese ye free munu no omu ni chrome ha no. Omu benya akwanya still na omatumi aba chrome ha. Now face so I extended to nkofo a nke ye beka no say omo ye third country nationals not to say omo ye nkofo a omo nye EU country for nti san hihye no na UK eye ma December 2020 or introduce you a year sa changes no at the buy ma or the chest say you free mu wia EU ni bia by the 31st of December na ohun emmeka nsuo wa ha onti krom ha na ya lock door no se kire na se o ba akwanya ewo ho a obetimi dia faso abani saa soso na omo ye san hihye no ede bie mu ama wo soso a na first no omo nya kwan emfamba na ya yire emra no mu pampen dindindin afei no ya bie mu se be ya omo nyina so benya akwanya de aba na no na ye di hu nkomo rules no ene areas no edorson na ne ye hu se ye community no in particular womo explore ye die ye ba be di hu enkomo ene anopay skilled worker route no na manya bisa a legitimate question say uyo obi a wo skill bi a na uni UK na opesa wo ba kwan ben so na obefa obeba skill no kura no skill ben a intino eno na ye behwe na ya bobo ho na ye biebie mu na ya hwe say first of all no edie nkura na sese wo ye now say who was skills bi and I was skill bi na opese oba UK a enhihye ni say esese unya obi a sa nipa kro no oye employer owo de efre no sponsorship license nti sa nipa no UK aban any home office aye nhihye ama no tumi krata say otimi efa nipa free amanone ediba UK enti no sa na tie de a na before ansa na yebehwe nipa a wo skills a ode ba no yenhwe nie all for na dwuma mu no ene ehon nhihye ansa na yakọ no so because nipa na all ma wo license or what license na all for wadwuma no ehon hia kane ansa na wo skills no kra wo no etimi abe play any role so sanity dia na se obi benya sponsorship license ewo krom ha na watimi e dia fa obi a owo a certain skill level every amano no dia ba na den na nipa no ehia se otimi kire number 1 esese wo kire se uye adwumaku a ampaniampa watintim unyuma no ewo krom ha nti wadwuma no wo UK unim nhihya ye nam so a ye establish adwuma wa ha nti wa register o company ema company house enim se wadwuma yi ye friend no CMB limited and as a CMB partnership whatever you call your company wa register no wadwuma no operate ebia na we still bender company nti wadwuma no operate saa industry ne mo esesa uyo obi so a se home office be ye nhwehwemu a obetimi ehu se genuinely no wo vacancy wo ho a ohwehwe nkofo ama omabeye adwuma no nti yemfa nse o still bending adwuma na wo ye no uhia obi a oye fabricator obetimi a fabricate niema ye de to gate mu a saa gate no ebeye pampin a ebema no security a obi ampo entimi nwram ebia na uni saa nipa no ewo krom ha but ubenya bi afri amano ne diaba nti na chese waye nhihye ama nipa no ediaba nti no ubetimi a kire saa esese wo ye obi a nhihye mu no wo HR department a se UK aban ebeye nhwehwemu a obehu se wo HR department a ehwe unkita ahodie nsem so uyo obi a wa register with VAT ekroma yeti se wo ye adwuma nyuma no bebre na etua VAT ewo niema a omo ye ho ti bibi na wo koto a obetumi ehu se na VAT element kakra wo nti no nkofo tua VAT wo nyuma bebre a omo ye ho nti wa register wo saa niema no nyina ewo ho empempi no especially your community no se obi bia adwuma na ubisa ne se company bank account na akoye Boachi bidin Mr. Boachi nyame no na enya but the American say na wobie company no but sika onya free company ni nyina no e call the personal account mu nti e kobisa nse onfa company bank account omra ebi ni ho meanwhile no operate company the expectation is say we operate company a unya separate company bank account eye for o company no nti no sika bia o realize it from the company no it goes into sa company bank account no indeed wo na wo ye adwuma no yes wo na wa establish adwuma no but wo ye adwuma ma sa adwuma na wo wa establish no nti no be wo personal bank account sebe di oyi hwehwemade no ompepa ne nsakwa nti wo so ye adwuma na utua adwumayefo uso utua wo ho ka bi nti wo personal bank account eno no utua wo ho ka from the company's bank account eno na chine bi ye bisa wo personal bank account obetimi di ache nti yes wo sa ade no so ewo honom obetimi e di ache again company ya wa bie sebe enye se wa hye wo dan mu keke na wo so wa bie company ana se wo company no ewo laptop so na wo di ayin door to door na sebe odi chima odi cover up and down enye sebe eniema na so wo ti so na odi call up and down na wo kase me wo company na emom no wo company wo premises eye physical se aban kase obeye nhwehwemu obehu se CMB mo company ni mo share so CMB no enye obi a company ba so person ofa obehu mia intino CMB yenimba bia mo office wo says ye ba Tottenham Hill ye behu CMB for say mo Tottenham Hill mo address ni mo nhihye nyina gu akwan mu UKB for ba ombehu say honam wo. So that is what you are doing. Now, why enu no nyina awie na aban ye saa nhwehwemu no nyina awie no. Se na bidi kan no. Esese utimi kire se genuinely no. Wo ye adwumaku o penkofo ama omabaye adwuma. So there's a vacancy a genuine vacancy. Enye vacancy bia wan kasa wo free wo pemu afa kwati kwan so a manufacture sebe ode nam kwati kwan so akofa nkofo afri amanone ama omaba UK dabi enye no na ye ka esese ye vacancy a genuine sa vacancy no so no ensese enye vacancy waye no bibi prekesene ase ehu ama se ne ebe ya obetimi edi a kire se esu bi mada UK ha nyina uchi baabi a wonnya bida na chese kamia ye se oye afa kwati kwan so sebu akwan so na waye bibi a emfa kwan mu enti ensese yesa because o exaggerate ade na chese ida ho na ebi a wo ye na odi akwakofa nkofro afri amano ne de aba senya sa na tie dia na a genuine vacancy na obia ni ha obetimi afele sa role no nti wo kofa obia bade na eyade eto asomu nti yen hye no nso sa na tie dia na ubenya license odi yesa nema we nyina ti sa wo kire sa nema we nyina na wodi mu na afei na UK aban ebema wo license set your license na ubetimi enya akwanya edi akwakofa nkrofo afri amanone ama mabaha sa adwuma na omobeye no ebi ni ha first no under tier 2 general no na ye wo bibia ye frɛ no labor test sa labor test no omayi afri ho intini ye nye sa test ne bi na eno no sa test no allow se ubechinchin na wahwe krom no wahwe ni nyina wa advertise wa adwuma no ama ya hwe se obi wo ha obetimi ayesa adwuma na se wa nya bia ansana ya makwan ama watimi di obi foforo aba ya yi sa de na firo nti yes ekwan na bie ma utimi kofa obi ema ne ba be yesa adwuma no na emom no ensese ofa kwati kwan so se na mekan no na o exaggerate ade no ma ne yese wachin kromo ha nyina no unnya obi a sebe obetimi atoto chichinga nti sebe wakwa akofa obi free north na abase or special skills bi a ye de tututu chinchinga ma je se ene kwenkra twembaako a otumi say yes wa we chinchinga enye no na ye ka na emum esese eye genuine role a ewo ho a eda ho a obetimi ede a chese ewo ho. So oya license now, it takes about 8 weeks now when you're decision. Oya luckier in 3 weeks, obetimi enya decision. Unya sa decision na eno na afi no oboa de akofa obi a ofri amanone de aba. Bear in mind so we yes application na UKV na say UKB home office o metimi aba abesrawo e wo baabi a wo a o se ye wadwuma mu no ma be ye nhwehwemu ahwese ampaniampa se wo adwuma we e wo ho ana intimane wo wutim se UKB fo ebetimi aba abesrawo abaye sa nhwehwemu no nti enye kwa akwase wa ye application no wo ye wie a eho akade no bebre na e wo ho a o mbe check. So we go through sa enema we nyina na we successful na ye ma o license na eno na afei no obi a ohia adwuma a owa amanone no wo kwa kofa na ba nti sa nipa na ono wa amanone na opese oba UK no ekwan a ofa so enie esese ono na ekohwehwe adwuma no nti wo UK for example se wo UK na sebi wo eho akade ne nkrata ye de adwuma yenim sebi enye adwuma wura no ene behwehwe bia a few reserved occasions in be adwuma wura bi echini behwehwe obi but normally no eye wo na wo kohwehwe adwuma a ewo abontin na adwuma wura so pese ofa wa fa sana route we so etie nti bindo a wo Ghana no wo na wo ye search na wa hwe se company a your friend is CB ebia ohia graphic designers nti no particular graphic designer na all hwehwe no onye bi wo UK me was a skill no and also wo vacancy bi o ontimi failure a obo ho daru wa apply for sa role no wo apply for sa role no na CB company omo fawa omo be ma bibia your friend no certificate of sponsorship omo ene betimi sa certificate na amount na no ena wo de ye application no online into we here sa sponsorship certificate no first of all the a company na offer wadwuma o de be ma no uhia eno potin yie pa ansana o de atoaso so oba wanu a ena wo de ye application so wo ye application na wo de sa code na o de be ma no wo de be hyemu online application no ye no online it's so o say uyo bi a wo English language when him say UK had here ba ha so free majority speaking English speaking country it's so so uyo bi a otebrofo nti uyo bi a otimiti brofo a waye English language wo certificate na o de bachelor say o enu a it means say what taking most of the boxes ya fa wadwuma wo English language wo passport obetimi de achese ampa ekrowe su na ofri a wo ba why your application online what you are fees no range depending on how long over for no you could pay between 610 and 1,000 for plus and all the aba in fear ya de be ma no so range you could get as long as 3 years to 5 years na why ba betina krom ha e de aye adwuma ubedu aso a senye 3 years kwa na unya ya ubetimi apply na wa extend visa no se ewu a ubetimi extend no nti sana sa route no etie eye lengthy job role a o ma hihye wo ho nti se wo call list bi a ye friend no sponsorship list a ubehu eye enuma hodo a yama wo mo sponsorship licenses se ombetimi afa nkofo afri amanone atin se we ya ade a ebetimi aboa community no ma omo enya easy route a obetimi ahwehwe adwuma potin anase particular adwuma or license a ebi a obetimi afa na adwuma so court list so a ebe kire enwuma a ewo no nyina edoso entimi mbodo nyina so but oko salaries no so a wa obehu enyuma yama omo license omo din ene adwuma kro a omo ye na wa hwe se enyuma yi omo vacancy bi wo ho a ubetimi akoshem na wonya visa na odi aba krom ha aba ye adwuma na so uyo obi a oye graphic designer akwanya wo ho sa skills na mu no uyo obi a oye engineer sa nkofo no nyina no akwanya wo ho a ubetimi anya kwan na odi aba ha say enra Richard the list bi ekremo a long list so you can say ye boboso ena no pay a atin say ade bechi asana ye moboso ewie but list no wo ho ye mfansie ye e wo online gov.uk ukoho a sa nema ni nyina e wo ho a ubetimi akwa check na wahwe enyuma hodo a e wo ho ene akatua esese yetua o nti nipa na ofa wadwuma no esese oye ready so obetua wo akatua bi up to sa level no and also above that na odi afa wadwuma manye edoso na because of time ninti no I thought say we'll sum it up na ya bono tofa na afi no enchiche mu bi wo ha na ya pacho
yo la Patrick Edas wa bo ni nyina su pepe na say near or apply any near or be apply na mechanism na say individual na ono ba be hwehwe edwuma no ono na afemu de waka any companies in so e wa ha especially yan kromofo companies o mo etumi nyame adarama o mo bia be companies in kitenkete no mo so kwai o be fa so a o menya sponsorship license no mo dey employ individuals from back home no so why explaining la Patrick nyame enshiraw na sisi ade yem breaking it down before I open the telephone lines no na etiefo bisa omonsam no find out ho obetumi bisa question bia ope it doesn't necessarily mean say ask the question based on the main topic we're treating today. No, you can ask any question at all here but I said no sponsorship dia na yitiri ewure mo ntino la Patrick mean bisa yaba ya yen die mu a meaning say yen Ghana for die sabio endorse ewo ha emaye you mean funny say yeah yetumi ebie companies nkete no obehwa ebia na ye barbering shop obehwa na ebia na ye saloon obehwa na ebia ye can say restaurant obehwa Ghanaian shop ye ton groceries ni ade say ni many eta ehu no eno na me di ho adances and I know say there are Ghanaians bi omo bia minimum bi kro very great construction firm ewo ho ye was akonya ni nyina na me ka ne ye hu ewa he ya no say ye fa ni baba na barbering sorry ana saloon ana say sa shops aye tonton ya ni grocery shops ya ni ade na omumu bi pese okofa obi also omunso omu apply for sponsorship license na and omunso kwanya ucheche ini list how the man so omu insurance omu company account ni ade omunso kwanya sa pepepe and omu de na different kakra but odaroma
yo manye enye different because omu nyina no kwan na ye fa so de adwumayefo free amanone aba no so sa kwan no na omo pese omo fa so dia then sa requirements are yabobo so no would apply to them the same way into no we a hairdressing salon why establish a company into sebe enye se wabo baby kakra bi anase woto ka mu na wo call up and down na wo ye baba anase wo ye chiri na mum no our premises are it's established business into yeah can we register with VAT or business account or be a company no into no or company registration certificate that just say oh yeah A&A barbering salon and I say A&A salon uyitire na oye sa nema ni nyina o ni nyina wo ho e bia na ohia obi particular bia owo skill set bia eno no nya no UK ha ye won kofo a omutimi ye nails in a certain way efe but ebia wunya saa nipa no bi wa ha enim sɛ ye nuanom no sɛbe China for no etumi ye nails no design bi ye no some colors em sɛ ɛma no titiri no behu de making any pedicure ne manicure ne saa cure for no nyinaa no saa range cure no nyinaa no ebia na o saa vacancy no wo ho but unya obi a obefile saa role no because obi ni ho a owo saa skill na answer skills no a owo kroma obetimi afile saa position no but when you be from you fan say China when you be from you fan say Ghana and I say any other country a obetimi aye say adwuma no nti before ansana obetimi employ saa nipa no ese say wo saa nipa kro no wo the friend sponsorship license no wa apply when you be we go through all of the processes now ya ka ho asem anopay no we go through some processes ni nyina ema aban ama license se obetimi afa nipa afri amanone ede aba se sa na wo situation netie whether say oye salon and also say oye grocery shop a wo ton niema for instance e bia na oye asabia market grocery shop otonton Ghana nnuane otonton special food bia e bia bebre na mpese omobeye se adwuma no nti no nya obi okroma kra ma wa boa wo shop ho amwa ye de sese wo ye bia na obi wo ho a osuro enwa nti ohu se enwa atene a ebi kra wo ntimi nyina shop ho nti saa nipa yi so wo kasa omeye adwuma wo asabia supermarket a enya de a ebeye yi enye special skill na wo de ye saa de ne de but the fact say unya obi kra ma no nya saa adwuma no emfa ma ebi so wo ha na we restaurant na we special nnuane emfa say TZ so de enim say bebre na pe but ade a enye common say obia betimi aye bi into wo restaurant wo saa nnuane no wo menu so but unya obi in particular ema ne mbeye aduane no ma na emom wo obi wo Ghana obetimi aye saa de no wo license wakra say okay nipa simesi me wo position for obi a owo speciality wo TZ yemu mehu se wo na obetimi aye ana se wa apply for say adwuma we me wo license entino mama sa certificate of application any sponsorship no obetimi di aye wo application na odi free Ghana e di aba sika sei e na metua wo vacancy we no genuine vacancy enye bibia wo na wa sheda a create se wo de kofo obi aba but indeed ye behu asabia restaurant e wo ho ye behu se o menu so no saa niema ya kan e wo so but unye obi ma na nye nti no akoye redundant ema sika nke sese unye free saa aduane no anim no eso akote because nkofo a omu patronize wa ombepese nka ombe di TZ kakra no because unye obi ma na nye nti no saa special menu no untimi enye so it's fine ubetimi apel obi amanaba na waba be yesa enuano no de ama your community no and anye your community nko a bear man say na say because of cultural marriages ne racial your friend say marriages interracial marriages coso ntin abrofo no bebre jollof omudi fufu omudi kenki omudi a whole lot watching red ne saa niema ne nyina omudi anu bi nti enye yenko na yepe the same thing na TZ no so omudi bi but ebia na wunya obi ma na nye so ubenya obi afri amana ba then yes ubetimi ayesa ade no na wa ba manye.
Okay. More questions, but so be a bit na line so atekakra. Enti no me man no kwan ke from pon patro ofrefre my ente wonka.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Papa.
That's it. The control doesn't be shot some kakra.
Koso Papa.
But the thing is that say everything shows it from who based on your British child. Everything must show it abra only akwani mama ne ntie. I thought you knew. Na mo worry. by my own investment. If you make my social about 2 days, I'm going to do it. I'm going to plan to the year. No worry. That's all. Machine is on.
Yo, Fatusunity. Okay, bye-bye. Patrick, in Patrick, Adaruma.
But yeah, I think any question, there's a lot of echo, the kind, sadly, unless I'll bet me repeat my patch.
Now, or Casse, first one, or say, hello, Patrote Menka, we know from Tatra. What is your Temenka?
Yes, man, patch up between, yeah.
And they think or say, Akala, now over 2.5 years, this will bet to me a switchy abra, one mammy, no, Akala, ain't Anna.
Okay. And I patch your second one here day.
Second one, get is a me sign be son, now may try again to me see me person say wrong thing, or best have a studio. If I try answer the first one,
right, okay, great. And see, any question here or the abbey. I think that I was so maybe some questions, further questions now in your clarity. But still, from my understanding, no, I think that this is what Professor Oye.
Okay.
I think say you over 2.5 years as a parent of a British citizen child and as a qualifying child. And Professor Oswitchi. The first application of my presumption and say or based on direct access into the person say or your application na enye one ne mba no ene ne maame no enete nti na omo ntimbo or ti baby and or your application as a parent of a qualifying child. Based on that, anayama no 2.5 years on the 10-year route to settlement under Appendix FM, FLRFP. Now, the question no any say the fact that only one team bomuno obetimi aswitch here now. And here my understanding is say the fact that only one team bomuno obetimi aswitch from the 10-year route no so onto the 5-year route parent 5-year parent route no so ana. Say yes sir and bisa. Then the answer is yes.
Patrick, hold on 1 minute. Purple frame form. Yes, Patrick, Echeche, Mono, Patrick, Sani, or question no. Okay. 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 You, me that's it. You, Patrick,
right. Into society there, then the answer is yes. Nemo no, requirements are so meaty. For instance, or any initial application, no, now omit all of the requirements, especially the immigration status requirement. Into the initial application, no, original ne basono, or the BB can one your friend EX1. And on the ma and nam so ma yama no sa 2.5 years no on the basis or akwala or your qualifying child wa ha na you can say own free her na ebia esa akwala no so free her. Into yama no first 2.5 years 10-year route into sisia no wababenya immigration status requirement no wabet take sa box no. So what is take our box no now person switch onto the 5-year route now. The extra boxes are SSL take. Ebinisa obi or again English language. Munim sene kroma ye brofo no etie. Into obi or English language obetimi dey ache say ebia or English say bia why certificate no level A2 and answer B1. Enya dey ayede ubisa manya obeka kire. Very very easy. Bebre na oka na omabohu kakra but enye difficult at all. and you be a bit me and why your English language, Apart from that, as I say, umiti maintenance requirement, Into you be a ebia oye juma kakra. Into unye sika kakra, etumi so ema yemfa ne se u free eye omabra bum no ebia wako ware foforo na se wo oba foforo mo wo ma. Nti utumi hwa ho ne wo ho kani foforo wanya no ne wo ma no ema usika no kra na ebi so. Enye 18,006 no na sa maintenance no ye de hwe mpa cho. Mane enka otrimu sa. Enye 18,006 ne ye de hwe. Ye free case be the case of Uvovo. No ewo calculation a income support level na ye de hwe nti se obi gi income supporter ye hwe se sa nipa kro no akatua wo gi ene wo spending na wo spending no se wo titi bibia free mu a se wo na wo gi income supporter ebeso di ene wo busua ma wa ye okay na that is what we are looking at, not 18,006 nti hye no so sa nti wa meet anu awie no ese se wo meet accommodation nti wo baabi te ekina bi se nkwara no kra ba omuso benya baabi ada the fact say omone wonte no kire se ebia nhihye ni oso mbetimi aba abesra nti ombetimi aba abesra nti wo baabi te a ombetimi aba abesra se otiki all of these 4 boxes here makan a you can switch from the 10-year parent route and I say 10-year route onto the 5 years parent route the eye say etwa eye akwantu na wutu no so tietia esan so esave usika nti eye very important say uyo bi a yama 2.5 years based on the 10-year route na eniema makeken watimi aye ni nyina immediately obetimi aswitch from sa route na ode aba eye 5-year route so because ebema wanya wo indefinite in term nebesa asave usika caveat obi owa na owo 10-year route so as a parent na because of enunti we the friend no recourse to public funds restriction e dey free so bear in mind say ukọ now kasa yen switch onto the 5-year route what you are telling the home office ne say meet all of the requirements and you can support yourself without becoming a burden on the state. You will lose no recourse to public funds restriction it will be taken away because the requirement necessary is meet maintenance to show say uyo bi a ubetimi ahwe wo ho ene wabusua nti say osan akona wakoye no na amount 2.5 years based on 5-year route now we see any restriction in through so it means you cannot maintain yourself even though I won't lose you right to residence they will move you back onto the 10-year route into manye
yo la Patrick ebedasi Patrick obidina landline so menim say atekwa na so da so ho a mesre obodi na bisa wasem ne afọ hello Patrick wa landline so no okay MC ne line na kati landline bi udina so kakra pa na akati ko so se nipa ko no ATM nka obetimi yo line Patrick yamba back to your sponsorship license no me care home one more care home one na me pese me nkofa nkofoi embra ebia me care home no me ana eja na me ado metumi ebie na se me pese me nkofa nkofoi free Ghana aba care e kan so mo ba be support worker na se bibia so no or say they need to also need to have this special skills about caring and I say they say be can say nursing school nurses but because I have been saying INS to me ignore care any other person provided you have that 2 or 3 weeks training and say person we offer such people or say training na ansana metumi perform and I say metumi perform abemo training no e wa ha say
yo manye apart from skilled worker almost shortage occupation no. Yeah, well, another occupation list a year for health and input students as well.
Okay.
Inti uyo bia wo care home o check his list na ubehu nyuma no areas aban pese o ma nipa ba no mbe fele. Inti ya bon de robebre say nurses omo ye qualified nurses omo Ghana omo nyina wa akwanya say omo timi ye application na omo backroom ha. Inti so obi a owo experience in care the area omo aban hwese ebetimi afele omo ye care managers. There are positions aban person ofele to be wo care home na or care manager is an area so be wo Ghana na o sa nimdie na yes aban ayen hihye se wo care home obetimi afasa ni pakro ebia na ni pay or ye nurse qualified nurse waye na juma on license woni bibia into your make application to come obi a or ye nurse na or ye qualified na waye juma for a certain number of years in fact say 3 years and above no obetimi aka asisudua se obi a or a certain level of experience o de backroom na o de tutu a nurse for mo ho a na che say emma brabia nti yes sa nipa no ho a ubetimi afa sa nipa no na o de backroom pharmacist ye nkofo a musu hu hia physiotherapist occupational health therapist sa nkofo no nyina ye nkofo a omuka ye health workers sa occupation list no so a omu nyina no ombetimi afri amano no maba manye.
Okay, my next question based on this, but Obi wa manage me money answers in the be appointing for order for our so patcho your person now cast a friend but crunch on boarding.
Oh, patcho yes from another. Patcho my first question is based on question I understand here.
Okay.
Obi I was received from 10 year route about 5 years. So now already no not of no recourse to public fund no work ni cabinet so now or apply the music free so or corner almost receive 5 no but not yet so this is the question okay me so there on me be new media so na can you make a straight here almost be better so and I think business is no more to be so that's my first question. And now, second question is Spanish passport. Now, me cost pay now. Me Spanish passport. Me say what the crew had indefinite card. Make me the Spanish passport now. Now me back me card no aba. That's on the second question, so now.
Okay. Leah Patrick.
But yeah, I think so, your system no MY because I don't know say from Ohana,
okay.
but your sound only very bad, unfortunately.
Okay, the first question is based on the 2.5 now once I say or also show level of maintenance, you know. And only the no recourse to public fund a being so into so or to me a year and now or yeah the better so because only money maybe to so amano. And then the second question then so near say okita Spanish passport and now kita I have promo indefinite card no and you know say or person to find cost na say oremu a obetumi use ne indefinite card no e dey remu ana pattern question
opeso tu kwan here
na obisa
opeso tu kwan here
Spain
okay
okay
Into your first second question no first because I know you're fairly straightforward say o tu kwan akọ kroma o passport na ekuta wo no and restricted because you chrome na woko obia ni ha obe restricted se man ko chrome nti wo na opese wo ko chrome ukuta wo chrome passport nti wo ko chrome wo ko chrome a wakodu chrome na wo san wachi aba no so wo ba wo chrome border agency for no they will want to know the wugina so a wo dey saba back to England na se wo free ho na wo ba wo bedu England ha so a ompese omumbe hu se to me ben na wo de wo a wo di free eye okrom Spain e de aba UK a bear in mind say sisi a UK ye nye European Union for o madam for biom ye no mu ni your friend is saying afeku bobium nti se wo ba ha de a na che se wo bibia kire se wo akwanya se wo ba krum ha na obetena unless e bia wo ba for visit ba ye nwie ne senkan mu no na che se oyobi a wa betena kruma na ote wa ya ma enei no owo settled status and as indefinite leave to remain so wo indefinite leave to remain there na che se restriction eni wasetena na wo UK no ho nti utimi ko na wasan ba o passport a chese o Spanish o indefinite leave to remain card ya so settled status under EUSS o sa card no obetimi dey achire and as say bia o permanent residence card however 1 year wo EUSS application no ama wanya settled status letter yes our friend no indefinite leave to remain ti wo sa letter no so and our permanent residence no there's a confusion because so the border agencies no omonte sa dynamics here say nti omofi say because permanent residence no EU free EU means enye adwuma biem now so we application home office because our card no valid still no omo mount another card until say I expire now I apply for new however one kasa obetimi apply for a card and then will settle status ne indefinite leave to remain under the USS no ebe corresponded and for ye as a firm no the advice from day one has been said was our situation ni mo don't wait say o card no ebewu ansa na wa apply se wunya o settled status and also say pre-settled status now yet another application now omuma replacement card and new status no ebe corresponded when we started no omoni yetwe homan so ema yedi omosun kunim ema ene no they are doing it into no your advice ni say o permanent residence na enwuye na your amount settled status and as a pre-settled status under EUSSR your replacement card application na omoma o card ene o status no ebe corresponded that is the advice nti yenwe so tu kwan na so corner or bar or bibia obetimi de achese ampase or akwanya se otena kromo ha. Now back to the first question no. Say over 2.5 years now for whatever reason your application no o kire se you be a we destitute into your restriction and to so so o renew application now don't think say automatically no sa restriction no ebe continue free no you still would have to demonstrate say indeed meet criteria no say ye be restriction no free so say meet criteria now I'm afraid the restriction no ebe to so even though we initial 2.5 years no because of your circumstance no yan fat restriction na and to so no ukona uko renew now, o circumstance a change here, the restriction may apply into Shannon. Unless you make another application, say ye free so. And yes, idea, me the restriction not to so. So switch it, not say need restriction card, no so now switch it to 5-year route. Bear in mind, say a bebano, not yet the restriction no at so. Yeah.
Okay, you like Patrick me that no best messages were but original landline is something no yemfa don't for one maso but your oga se friend unka.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nin tracking the letter.
Ofane you yano.
Ofane mani wega.
Ofane yano. Lawyer Patrick, you are 10 languages.
Oh, okay. Ofane, not the advice you want brother. It's a it's a job on ye. Miguel South Africa. She get a year. It's a bed. It's a she could be pet nanny. ti girl ke enye ho ni girl ke enye ho ke gay enoni because ele ake gay the pen ole ake oblayo ele ake brother ye wo e to make a ho anme ino e one brother nta o ma bi ake ani ni girl ele e full name ni ele address the telephone number and e ba ni de ete they apply will have taken look. I learn my home they come market can make it apply will you get them now pay.
Hey, question there, and our Patrick must say, now Patrick, you need to send granite, I said, you know, beside and the
because they sound need to know. Yeah, just repeat him and patch. Yeah.
But say, well, sitting near Bama Binaga, only a buy maybe a couple, one night stand. And say 1 night stand, that compared and to be into our back, which of course, no,
okay.
And you know, near our says, see, Obano of South Africa, Obana Afaifu, and Obana insist to say, any brother na on in Afaifu. And the hope say, Obano nim said, the brother no, ewo and crata, into a barrier deny, and so say, ya. Otomeni abeme wo obenya enkrata ama akala no nanso abeme say enyo no e na obo go no enyo no ne dia enti no girl ya oni na fa ifu girl ni details say o nkrata enti o so say enbia say owo akala na a onim say enye ne ba no akode akra no din no beko efikase mu akodi enkrata amano based on the details a onimono na etumi possible na se etumi possible no be ma no betumi aka kire home office bi say mo nye ana enti na me so lawyer Patrick.
Right, okay. Menye sure how abema no hu se sebe enye oni oba no nanyim.
Exactly.
Minim ke kwan of fast so hu ye. Normally no the air can say oba onyim no na onim bema one nanyim. You know that is the position ye name. But we legal question into the yenhwe. Say akoba say ya wo akwala no na ya register akwala no na yenim se ne papa ne ni kwate amansu bonsu na ye dinidi ahye birth certificate so a then we know say papa na ne ba ne akwala yi it is a sa na tie dia na akwala no papa ewo asetena ewo krom ha then yes o maame ebetimi aye application e dia home office say home office me buy ni papa ni ye friend no ni kwate tete mansu oyobi a owo indefinite leave to remain ewo krom ha ntawantawanti no ompese odebe mame amaye passport ama me ba intino sabre misremo monhwehwe mon krata mu na momma me ba no British citizenship eyade a technical intino so no nko atena ne ba bi na oya obe face a lot of challenges because home office will go back and forth mbepese ombehu eniema bi for us we do it the bia no ye challenge omo na ya kire omo ba bia omo nkofa sa documents ni free and all of the time you know ye di omo so nkunim ema omo kofa document no passport no ema akwala no so that is that it is a lawyer na area ma there then rest assured say be lawyer no nim ni oya obeko sa ntokwa no na waji passport no e dia ma akwala no se wonko na oya you know o mountain na obe climb to get there it is say oya wadun say obeko so na wa ye sa ade no now say papa ifi say enye ne ba no dia na o challenge wo mra kwan so ama na court ama court atenase ahwe say yenye nhihye na maami ene papai ene wo mobai omunye DNA to prove say eye hwan na akwalai eye ne papa yes manye say eba to sana that is the level of pesoko. It involves a lot of money, a family case, paternity, and